folks, Mark again here, Pilgrim V8. Today, as you can tell, we've got a Fastback. This is his 67. This is the most iconic one of them all. We're going to go through all the details in this video, but what a car. So this car, we know very well here. We sold it a few years back to the customer, and the customer's now looking at changing it onto somebody else. So we're selling it for him. This is beautifully presented in this lovely white colour, really makes these burgundy stripes pop. If you feel the stripes, you can feel there's no seam there at all. These are not vinyl, these are painted stripes. It's got a whole host of little additions to this that are period correct, but iconic to this particular model of car. Things like this hood scoop, some aftermarket wheels, these torque thrust chrome, torque thrust 2 wheels, really popular choice for Mustangs, and as you can see they look absolutely great, really pick out the chrome down the side. Let's talk you through some of the other details on this vehicle as well. Not only does this car look amazing, it sounds awesome too. This is the 289 4.7 litre V8. As you can see, it's got the lovely Edelbrock air cleaner on there with the etched top on it, which matches these lovely etched rocker covers. You can see that the hood scoop is actually functional, so it actually flows into your air filter there. This is an air conditioned car, so it came from factory with the SelectAire Air Conditioning. So it's got the pump in there. You can also see you've got these lovely chrome Monte Carlo braces and strut tail braces here that sort of tie in with the whole colour scheme of the car. Your chrome, your white and your burgundy. Let's go and show you inside the vehicle. So coming onto the inside of this car, you can see straight away it's got the burgundy red interior. It ties in really nicely with those stripes. Matching steering wheel. It's got power steering, it's got disc brakes, you've got power disc brakes from factory as well with this vehicle. Your air conditioning, it's got these lovely brushed aluminium inserts on the dash panels as well, again tying in with that colour scheme. In the back you've got your sport deck rear seat which folds down, allowing you to put larger items through from the boot. Really well presented in this vehicle. You've got your AM stereo, the tinted glass. It really is a lovely car. Comes with a host of service history as well. So it's, as I say, one of our cars. We've sold this car in the past and had a lot of work done here. So you really are buying an amazing vehicle here. Just wanted to show you another angle inside here. Just down here on your kick panels, you've got upgraded stereo speakers for your AM radio. If you can see on your hood scoop there, you've also got your courtesy light group, which has got your indicators built into them. So when you're indicating, you see across the hood, you're not taking your eyes off the road, you can see when you're indicating. That's also an option that was specified from factory. So if the Fastback is what you're after, it's no better model than the 67, 68. Lovely sloping roofline here, your lovely hips over the rear wheels, beautifully presented in white with the burgundy and the red interior. So 2 UK owner car, loads of history, loads of receipts, really well presented, including a Marty report as well. This is the car to come and see, guys. Give us a call, come down and have a look at the car, take it for a spin with me, and I'm sure you're going to love it. All the details of the vehicle are in the description below and also available on our website as well, so go and check it out there.